Good morning.
She my cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober. Let me keep you closer, bubbly like a soda.
Hi, how you doing?
Today, Juliannie and I are filming a what we actually eat in a day. Because guess what? I'm not vegan. I don't really care. I eat like a pregnant woman on her last trimester. I just want to give y'all a heads up on that this is not healthy. I do the best that I can, but I also love food. And that's just how it has to be sometimes. Wednesday, and on Wednesdays I eat a little bit naughtier because I go out for breakfast with my mom and then I go out to dinner with some friends. We do not count calories in this house, and our main diet plan is just carbs, hot Cheetos, and coffee. Hoops in, let's get the day started.
What's up, guys? It's the morning time and I'm making my breakfast, if you can call it breakfast, and also preparing my lunch for school later on, which I'm not going to show you right now because right now is breakfast time. I'm running late, so we gotta skedaddle.
Okay, so we got this for lunch, everyone.
My lunchbox is cute. Right?
So, for lunch today, we got Matt and some chips, some yogurt, a little orange.
Don't show me that song.
And then a ho-ho.
I got a
Okay,
turkey
what you
sandwich,
got?
veggie sticks, and an apple. And I give them all my unhealthy food so that they can gain the weight for me.
She meal preps every single day. Oh yeah, she had broccoli, but she ate it all.
And I'm still bad. Wonder how that happened. But it's okay, I'm still that bitch. I just can't lose weight. But this shit hits.
And we drink water because we're hydrated. So good.
So you know the baby that I babysat yesterday? So I asked her, I was like, did you go potty? She was like, no. I was like, are you sure you didn't go potty? And she said, no. And then I'm like, can I check your pants? She said, no. When I opened her diaper, she shat herself everywhere. I'm talking on her legs. I'm talking on her thighs. I'm saying it everywhere. And this shit isn't like shit. Like, this shit looks like carrot shit. Like, it is everywhere, motherfucker. Where's my phone? Disgusting.
I brought it over here, right?
Your phone?
Dinner is served. What you didn't see is that Min and I got Starbucks and I got like a dirty chai. And we just got ramen for dinner. I'm gonna be shitting real good later, I can tell you that much.
Wait, I got.
Oh, okay.
Why is she like a
Roading
sorority girl?
Some white rice. I don't know what type of meat this is. And then some chicken. What?
Yeah, what I ate was I had pork, quinoa rice, and zucchini and green beans.
Oh wow, she's a health queen.
You know, something like cute and simple, you know?
What are you guys doing in my fridge?
Moving on. You've come to the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget that our socials are always linked down in the description box if you want to follow us on any of those. Hopefully this video gave you a sense of what we eat in a day as high schoolers. We manage, you know, we try to be healthy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!